Hi guys, welcome to Xandrake's World, and we're here for another unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Alright guys, so today is March 6, 2026 at nag-release nga ang McDonald's Philippines ng bagong set ng Happy Meal toys. At ito nga ay yung Uno cards, special Uno cards with the anime design. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung design. So, ito sila. So, Uno featuring Spy Family, and then Uno's My Hero Academia. So, it's a total of 6 sets of Uno cards. Okay, so yan sila. And okay, so yan yung unang i-unbox natin, yung Spy Family. Okay, so this one is Lloyd Forger. hindi ko masyado pa actually hindi ko pa napapanood totally itong mga anime na to. I love anime, but right now there's a lot of animes coming out, and parang huling anime na pinanood ko is yung ano ba, Naruto. Siyempre, kasi ako batang 90s. So, I'm not familiar with the new animes. Parang nirelease to is 2022, tong Spy X Family. And then, it's 3 seasons na. Alright. Pero, yeah. This is Lloyd Forger, if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so this is the regular Uno. This is the first one that we will unbox. Okay? Ayan, tingnan natin yung box. It's green. Okay, so it's medyo parang maliit siya. Maliit ba? Or ito kasi yung original na Uno. Pero kasi to dalawa yan. O parang same lang siguro ng laki. Okay. Pero ngayon, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong itsura ng mga bawat set ng Uno cards. So if you're fan of this anime, so yan. Pwede nyo bilhin to for collection purposes. Parang nabahilig kayo maglaro ng Uno. Pero yeah, this is, kung familiar ka sa rules ng Uno, ito may rule sheet. I wouldn't say book, rule book. Sheet. Okay, so yan siya. It's in different languages. So there's Thai, Bahasa Indonesia, English, and then Bahasa Melayu. Okay. Ayan. Yan siya. Alam naman natin yung Uno, ubusan ng card to. Pero ito yung likod ng Uno card. And this is naman yung harap. Pero ito may photo card si Lloyd Forger. Ayan na. Ito ba yung Holo? Ayan, Spy X Family. Okay, wala tayong stand. Okay, wala. Hindi ako ng stand. Pero dyan, stand there. Over there. Sige, higa ka muna dyan. Lloyd Forger. Okay, that's the rule. And so may 4 sets of colors dito. This is the yellow kasi Lloyd Forger. Itong isang yung number 1. Then may number 2 is ito si Anya Forger. And this one is sino to? Hindi ko kilala. Mga cast talaga nila. Ano lang, hindi ako familiar kung sino sila. I'm so sorry. Pero this one, it's a dog. So, Bond Forger. Rin to, okay, so siguro from the title itself, they're a family of spies. Ito, Yuri Breyer. This one is Damien Desmond. Then Becky Black Bell. Okay. Okay. Ito yung Your Forger. Itong number 3. Okay, ito yung family. Yung family nila. Ano to? Family, parang, ano to? As in, husband and wife and their daughter. Okay, parang ganun. Okay, ito yung mga action card, mga ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. So, ibang Uno to, hanggang 7 lang yung numbers. So, wala siyang 8, wala siyang 9. Okay, sadly. Pero pwede na rin ba yun? Okay. Iba ba yung rules pag ganito? So, meron siyang stop. Yung action card na stop. Return. And plus 1. Okay, dun siya sa yellow color. So, bawat color is meron silang numbers. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero same lang yung itsura, no? Iba lang yung color. Okay, ito yung action card. Okay, this is the green color. And this one blue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same lang. And then the action cards, tatlo. Then the red one. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the 3 action cards. A total of 10 cards per color. Okay, yan sila. And this one is the wild cards. Ayan. Sila ulit. Pero, okay. So, kasali ka. Kasali ka ba? Wild card ba to? Kasi 4 ang wild dapat. If I'm not mistaken. So, iba ba ang rules nito? Iba siya. Okay, ito skillful spy. Use this card to, akala ko photo card siya. So, it's kasama. Kasama siya talaga. Tapos this other card is the extra, the scan to play. Okay, Uno X anime. Okay. Ayan, scan to play. So, this other card is a special card. Okay. Ayan, skillful play. Ito yung wild. Alam natin yung wild. Wala siya ng plus 4 wild. Wala rin siya ng action card na 2. Wala rin yung, ano ba yung isa? Yung plus 2. Tama, yung plus 2. So, iba siya. 4. Ito yung sets niya. Shuffle cards, deal 5 cards per player. Place remaining cards face down. This is a draw pile. Okay, this is an action card. Return. We have matching card. Ayan, yun nga. Yung matching card, na-match mo yung number or yung color. Pag wala ka nung pag meron kang wild card, you can play the wild card. And, yan. Kapag malapit ka na matapos, you have to call Uno. Otherwise, magkakaroon ka ng penalty pag hindi ka sabi ng una before you draw your last card. And this is skillful spy. Use this card with Twilight's skillful spy skills to get information. Choose a color, and all players must show you a card of that color from their hand. Anyone who can't must draw three cards. Choose wisely. If all players have a card of that color, then you must draw 3 cards. The color chosen becomes the color that continues play. Okay. Ito, for blind players. Special holographic symbols have been added to each card to help identify the colors of the card. This will allow players with any form of color blindness to easily play. Oh, okay. Where is that? Ito. So, merong ganito. Yung blue is square. Yung yellow is may parang 4-pointed star. And then this is the inverted triangle, yung green. And this is a circle for red. Okay, yun pala yan. Ayan sila, wild. So, yung wild card, yun yung special dito sa set ng Uno cards na to. Okay, so yan siya. So, mukhang masaya naman ang kalalabasan nito kung maglalaro kayo nito. Pero it's not the same as the Uno, the regular Uno that I shown you. So, this is lacking some numbers. It's not 1 to 9, it's only 1 to 7. There's 10 cards per color, sabi ko nga. Ayan, so yan siya. Okay. Alright. So, gusto nyo bilhin, punta na kayo sa McDonald's and buy this. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next set of cards. Okay, so ang next natin ay ang ito yung Uno flip. Okay, so dito nasa harap ay si yung bata. Si ano to, sino nga pangalan mo? Ito ay si Anya Forger. Okay. Yan, for 7 years old nga pala tong yan, may recommended number of players is 2 to 4, And yeah, 7. 2 to 4 kasi tawag dito, konti lang yung cards. Pero 2 to 10 ang isang Uno na regular. Pero yan, buksan natin. So, okay, let's open it. Oh, buksan natin. Ayan. Uno flip. To be honest, di pa ako nakapaglaro ng Uno flip. Pero I have a Uno flip here. Ayan siya yung Uno flip ko. Ayan. Parang hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Pero ang tagal na yan sa akin. Ayan, ito yung may rulebook din yung Uno flip kasi it has a different, a more complex set of rules for Uno flip. Pero hindi pa ako ganun ka-familiar kung paano siya laruin. Pero I wanna show you kung ano yung mga cards na nandito. Gaya ng una, meron ding scan to play. Alright, with this one, meron kasi dalawa ang Uno. Dalawang side tong Uno na to, kaya tinawag na Uno flip. Ito yung regular side, yung light side, and this is the dark side, yung nasa likod. Okay, meron siyang sariling mga sets of numbers and meron siyang sariling sets of rules. Almost the same, but when you get the action card that says Uno flip, yung flip, kailangan yung baliktarin yung mga cards nyo. Parang ganun siya. Ayan, kaya nito. 1. Ano to? Let's see. May special, ano na naman yata siya. Papa is a spy. Okay, that's the card. Use Anya's telepathy card to read other people's minds. Choose a player and look at their hand, then choose the color that continues to play. Alright. Okay. Ayan, ganun siya. Pero yung nasa likod niya is yung 1. Okay, so ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, si Anya, ito yung dog na naman nila. Si Bond. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 lang yung yellow. Tapos yung likod, pakita ko sa inyo yung likod. Yung flip side. Ito yung una kanina. Ito yung flip side. Iba-iba yung color. May orange. May, ano ba to? Green, teal, or something. And there's purple. Orange. So may mga ibang action siya. Ano to? Get one. Not sure what this is. Ito. Meron. Warna Tarek Bebas. No. It's Indonesia. Wild draw. Diba? Wild draw. Forces the next player to draw until they get the chosen color. Lose their turn. Kasi kapag basta hindi sila makatira. Lose their turn. Ayan, ito yung nasa likod. Ito, draw to. Reverse. Reverse? Iba yung reverse dun sa reverse nga. Tama, reverse. Return to yung sabi ko kanina, pero reverse. It's a reverse. Ito, skip everyone. There's a skip everyone dun sa cards. Okay? And then wild. Alam natin yung wild. Draw to. Ito yung mild side. Yung yung white. Ito yun. Ayan ang actions niya. Draw one, reverse, skip, flip card. Okay? So, yun yung flip card. Saan ba? Ito ang flip card. Pag lumabas ito, you have to flip your cards. Then you have to play. Okay, as usual, using the flip cards. Okay? May mga, ayun nga lang, may mga kakaibang actions sila doon sa Uno flip. Okay, that's the yellow side. And this one is the wild. Yung mga wild cards. Yan o. Tatlo yung wild cards. This one is 1, 2, yung green. 4, 5. Same lang naman yung mga itsura ng bawat set. Iba-iba lang yung colors. Okay. Yan siya. Alright, that's the green. Ay, ba't kaya nandito? No? Sa gitna. Alright, pakita ko sa inyo yung susunod. Ayan yung blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bitin lang yung play nito kasi hanggang 4 players lang ulit to. Ayan yung likod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, ganyan siya. Ayan, 1, 2. But, pag nag-flip kayo lahat i-flip nyo pati yung nasa gitna. Ganun siya. Pati yung mga na-draw na card na nasa gitna rin. You have to flip everything. Okay, ganun siya. Alright, so we move on to the next set of cards. Okay? Alright, for the next set is the All Wild. Again, dito pa rin tayo, Spy Family version pa rin yung ina-unbox natin. Same is the red box. At ito nga yung See Your Forger. Okay, so let's open the box. Bakit? My gosh. Parang masisira ako na naman yung box lagi ko. Ang palpak ko talaga magbukas ito. Okay, ayun. Alright, so let's open it. Okay. May naiwan. At dito yung rulebook sa likod. All Wild. Ayan. Okay, ito yung scan to play. This is the rules. Okay, ano naman meron dito? Ayan. Parang same Uno pero meron siyang ito yung action cards. Wild action cards is Wild Skip. Okay, when a player, the next player loses their turn. Wild, yung regular wild card. We're going to be playing a lot of these. So try to keep things interesting. You can even call out a color if you want to. It won't change anything, but at least you have one less card, right? Wild Force Swap. Ito yung mag-swap kayo ng hand ng kalaban mo. You must use another player and exchange hands with them. Okay, if their player ends up with one card in their hand, they must yell Uno. Okay, kunwari, one lang yung kabila. Nag-Uno na siya. Pinlay mo to, palit kayo. Ganon. Ito, Wild Draw 1. When played, the next player draws one card and loses their turn. Okay, mag-draw. Tapos, wala na din siya titira. And then, Wild Targeted Draw 2. So, pipili ka ng player. So, regardless of kung sino lang kasunod, pipili ka ng player dun sa inyong lahat na magdodraw ng 2, tapos di na siya makakatira. Then Wild Skip 2, so self-explanatory. You will skip the next 2 players. Then the Wild Reverse, so yan, magre-reverse lang kayo. And then this is the special card, okay? Your Super Kick. Okay, your Super Kick. Your kick can send anyone or anything flying away, even a car. Play this card and choose a color. The next player in order must draw cards from the draw pile until they draw a card of that color. This card is a wild card, so you choose the color that continues play. So paano mangyayaring choose ng color? Eh, diba puro wild nga ang laman nito. So I don't get it. Okay, so yeah, ito siya. All wild. Ito yung likod. All wild. So, ito yung special card. This is the wild cards. Puro wild cards yan. Wild cards. Bilangan natin. Bilangan tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26. Then the action cards reverse 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the skip cards 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the plus 1, 2, 3. Then the draw 2, 1, 2. Double skip 2. And then dalawang exchange of hands. Ayun siya. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, masasawa ka sa kakaplay ng it's, I would say, simpler. Dahil puro lang siya wild. Wala naman talaga ibang colors. Then you just have to ubusan lang ulit ng cards. So, parang mas madali siya kaya compared dun sa flip. Alright, that's it. Okay. That's the whole set ng Spy Family Uno cards. Okay, then we move on to the next design. Pero that's also the same gameplay. Okay, pero siguro iba yung ganito kasi this is special to its kind. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so for the second anime na ito nga yung My Hero Academia. Okay, so it is parang ilang seasons na ba to? 8 seasons. 8 seasons na ba to? So it started back in 2016. Pero parang tapos na siya. Natapos na ba to? Parang just 2025. Okay. Pero yan siya. Diba? Tingnan natin. Green yung kanyang box. At itong nasa harap ay si Izuku Midoriya. Tama? Midori. Kaya green. Kasi Midori is Japanese for green. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, yeah. Ang dami tayong alam kasi I don't know. Dali ako makatandaan mga bagay-bagay. And weird ang mga likings ko sa mga bagay-bagay. Just like unboxing anything under the sun. Okay. So, yan. Meron na naman kakaibang card. Okay. So, that's what's different with each design or each anime. Okay. So, this one, let's check. So, this is the regular Uno pa din. Regular Uno. But, it has a twist because of the additional card. Okay. So, ang action card na ito ay Deku's Quirk. One for all. Okay. Deku's Quirk, one for all. Ano ba siya? Deku? Deku ba pangalan niya? Parang nakita ko Izuku. Fail? Is it a fail? Bahala na kung sino ka man. Hindi kasi ako familiar sa kanila eh. Pero Deku? It's Deku. Okay. It's okay. Pero yan. Sabi dito, Deku's Quirk, one for all. All for one. One for all boosts Deku's powers. If the next player does not have a green card in their hand, wild cards do not count. You may immediately play again. Alright. Sige. Ayan. So, yun pa rin yung mga action niya. Draw one. Skip. And anyway. Anyway, that's it. Yun na yun. Okay, pero yan. Ang alam ko, ano sila eh. Hindi ko kasi sure. Midoriya. Pero alam ko yun ang pangalan nila, Midoriya. Characters and everything. Alright, so ito siya. Ito yun. Ano ba to? Alter ego niya ba to? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. Okay. And then, okay. So, yun pa nga ang, ayan, 1, si Midoriya. Number 2, alter ego na naman niya ba to? Okay. Then, this one is, this one is Katsuki Bakugo. And this one is Shoto Todoroki. This one is, sino ka? Who are you? Hindi kita kilala. Oh, I think I know you. So, Ochako Uraraka. And this one is Tenya Ida. Okay, this one is Ejiro Kirishima. This one is, who are you? Okay, I don't know. Not so sure. I'm not sure. I'm really sorry, guys. Kyoka Jiro, if I'm not mistaken. And this one is who are you? Better siguro panoorin ka na lang yung anime. I can identify them. But yeah, there you go. That's how it looks like. This is the yellow color set. And then, like the other set sa Spy Family, same lang din yung mga itsura nila. It just have this set just yun nga, iba nga lang yung colors. Yun lang yung pinagkaiba nila. Okay, yan yung blue. This is the red. 10 cards pa rin per color. And then there's the 3 wild cards. There's the scan to play. And there is the special card na ipa-play mo. Okay, so that's the Uno card for My Hero Academia. And then we move on to the next toy. Alright, this is the next toy. So na si Katsuki. Ayan, siya yan. Si Katsuki Bakugo. Alright. My Hero Academia pa rin to. Okay. Ito naman ay parang orange. Okay. Uno flip naman ang kanya. So, same gameplay. But of course, we're expecting a different specialty card for this set. Okay. Depending on their power siguro. Ayan. Okay, Uno flip. Okay. Check natin yung Uno flip na action card. Okay, yun pa rin, no? Draw one card. And what's different about this is this one. Okay. Wow. I wish I knew kung sino siya. Pero this is your power is mine. All for one can take anyone's power that he wants. Swap your hand with any player you choose. This card is a wild card, so you choose the color that continues play. Alright. So, same. Pero pakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng bawat card. Okay. This is the wild one. This is the 1, 2, this is the yellow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, may 10 cards pa rin per color. Ayan yung harap. 5, 6. Hanggang 6 pa rin. Ito pa rin yung action cards. Then when you flip, pag nag-flip na kayo, pag maybe pumili ng flip, ayan, ang lalabas. Flip, flip, flip. Same gameplay. Alright, that's the yellow, yung may light side. These are the 3 wild cards. So, likod niya meron din yan. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Ganyan siya. This one is the green one. Almost this. Yeah, it's all just the same. Alright. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ito. The blue one. Yan, ganyan lang siya. So, masaya rin maglaro nito with friends. Siyempre, with friends ka talaga makikipaglaro nito. Mahirap to laruin mag-isa. Alright. Okay. Pero yan yung Uno flip from My Hero Academia. Okay, and then we will move on to the last toy. Alright guys, so for the last toy, ito na, yung Uno All Wild na version ng My Hero Academia. Okay, so sino na sa harap na character? Siya ay si Shoto Tokoroki. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, so gaya nung yung isang pinuksan natin, this is all wild. So wala siyang mga special colors. Just be all wild, and then meron lang siyang what's different is the special action card na nandito. So let's check it out. So All Might Smash. Unleash the unstoppable power of might. The next player to draw a card for any reason must draw an additional 3 cards. Smash. Okay, masaya siya. So ano to? Yung mga action card na yan, sabi nga nila, yun yung mga nagiging dahilan ng end of friendship. Pag naglalaro nitong Uno. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo kung nagsura niya. Ito yung special card. Ilagay natin siya dyan. Ito pala yung likod. My Hero Academia. All Wild. Ayan. Very good. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ayan, manawa ka dun sa wild cards. Sabi niya sa rules, you can call a color daw. So, paano ka magka-call ng color kung puro wild nga, diba? Okay. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan kakapal yung wild cards. Puro wild cards lang yan. This is the action cards. Yung reverse, reverse, reverse. Skip, 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 skip. Draw 1, draw 1, draw 1. Draw 2, target, draw 2, target. And then the double skip, yung dalawang skip na players. And the exchange of hands. Alright. So, yun na nga po. Doon na po. Ito na yun na po ang katapusan ng ating unboxing for this set of Happy Meal toys. Alright, so let's see them all together. Alright, so there you have it. That's all 6 toys. Different versions ng Uno with different special action cards for each set. So that's what's unique about this release. So hindi lang siya Uno cards, although the gameplay is almost the same for for each type of Uno game. Pero ang yun nga yung nagse-separate ng yung kakaiba sa kanila, unlike the regular Uno. Alright, and for now, I'm gonna go ahead and so let's scan to play. Ito nga, I'm gonna do the scan to play. Alright, let's see. Ayan, lumabas na. Alright. Okay, this is it. Let's play. Wala bang sounds? Baka makapiright na naman tayo, so hindi ko na lang siguro lalagyan ng sounds. Play. Lagi tayo nabibiktima niyang copyright na yun din sa mga scan to play na to. Okay, Spikes Family, Spy Family. Yan sila. So talaga ito lang yung release kasi yun lang din yun nandun sa okay, select universe. Okay, ibang universe. So dito tayo sa My Hero Academia. And then let's choose Midoriya. Okay. Wala namang 8. Paano nagkaroon ng 8? Siguro dito lang sa online. Ayan, but there you go. That's how we'll play it. Tingnan natin ba't ang labo. Naka-max naman tayo na. Oh no, sige. Oh, blue. Ganyan lang siya. Maglalaro ka lang ng Uno. Wild. Oh, wow. Okay. Green daw. Skip niya to. Skip din tayo. Pwedeng mag-play ng skip. So, skip mo yun. So, si girl na ulit. Na ulit. Ayan. Skip na naman. So, ako na. Kailangan ko ng blue. So, since I don't have a blue, kuha tayo. Kuha ulit. Ay, ganoon. Bakit ganoon? Iba yung kala ko akong titira. Okay. Pero that's how you play Uno. Alright, 6. Natin, kapag tayo. Ang dilim, no? Not sure why madilim. Okay. Oh, Uno na rin siya. Wilay. Isa lang naman nagiging winner dito pero yung mga Pinoy, sila yung parang ubos ang lahi. Kadalasan. Ayan. Wala, draw. Skip. Dapat yung draw until you get the color, diba? So, iba sila. May nanalo na. Okay, may nanalo na. So, we're at the 4th place. Okay, there you go. And then, if you want to play the other universe Spy Family, then you just go and choose your character here. Okay, then get started. Okay, so that's it. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching our unboxing video. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. Alright, and yeah, kita nyo, iba ang ating set. It's all white na. Medyo nag-adjust pa tayo sa ilaw. So, pasensya na kung medyo madilim kasi nagko-contrast. My camera is not, hindi nakikisama si camera sa ating studio. Okay, but thank you so much for watching. And, yan, please follow our social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. If you want to buy the set of toys, if you want to choose which toy you want. So this will help you decide kung anong gusto nyo, kung if you're not planning to buy all of them. So it can be considered as a collector's item since they have a different action cards for each of the Uno cards sets na available dito sa release ni McDonald's. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon para sa ating mga upcoming videos. So yeah, malapit na tayong maka-reach ng 4,000 hours for our views. Thank you so much sa mga napatuloy pa rin nanonood ng ating mga videos, and please help me get there. Okay? And continue to subscribe. Yeah, kita-kits ulit. Bye-bye!